To set up photo as a wallpaper on the Realme 16 Pro, first of all, you have to go to the settings. Now, go for home screen and the lock screen settings and just swipe up like this. Go for wallpapers and click to choose from album. Now, when you are in your gallery, you can just pick up any photo that you have. For example, this one. And now you have to click plus. And we can also find that pinch gesture to even change that a little bit. Click apply and you can get this lock screen and the home screen. You can even find some styles. So for example, the blur style on that lock screen. When you go for the home screen, you can also apply some wallpaper scrolling effect or blur, or we can even change some icons, but it's not about the wallpaper. So we can just click apply. And after a few moments, you can just find out that your wallpaper has changed.